6,500 pesos. 6,500 pesos? This could be less than 6,500 pesos. Hey guys, Jamie here. Welcome back to the channel where we take awesome out of the box, and we finally have the Realme C3. So this phone has been available to our neighbors in the region for a while, pero magla-launch pa lang siya dito sa atin on March 5, and the price that I was talking about at the very start of this video is actually converted from Thailand. So we don't have the official price tag yet, but it should be somewhere around that price range. Now, this device has a lot of potential to be the best gaming phone, let's say under 7,000 pesos to be safe because of the internals that it's packing under the hood. But of course, before we talk about all of that, let's show you what comes inside the box first. Also guys, just a quick reminder to sub to the channel and hit that notification bell if you haven't already, because we do hold regular giveaways. Speaking of which, I am giving away a pair of Realme Buds Air. Stay tuned to the very end of this video for the mechanics. As usual guys, let's skip over the whole unboxing process, but here's everything you get. You have this cardboard box which houses the SIM ejector pin, quick start guide, and warranty information. Now, the phone doesn't come with a case, which is a little sad, pero usually naman wala naman talagang kasama yung sa budget phones ni Realme, and wala din siyang kasamang earphones. Aside from that, you have the phone itself, the Realme C3 of course, and ito yung frozen blue color variant, but it's also available in blazing red. Of course, meron din siyang kasamang charger and micro USB cable. Alright, so that's pretty much everything that comes inside the box. Quick and easy. Now let's talk about why I think the Realme C3 is gonna be one of the best gaming phones on a budget. Now, quick disclaimer lang tayo guys. These are just my initial impressions. We will be doing a gaming review for this phone. Abangan nyo lang. Okay, so reason number one is the processor at the heart of its system. Now, the C3 is powered by a MediaTek G70 processor and is actually the first smartphone in the world to be equipped with this SoC. The folks over at MediaTek actually made the G70 with mobile gaming in mind, so we can expect the gaming benchmarks on this device to be really good. Based on my initial experience though, I can say that I'm really impressed by its performance so far. You're seeing some NBA 2K20 on screen right now, and nakasagad yung graphics niya, maxed out siya guys, and medyo may frame rate drop siya ng konti, pero for a budget device, it runs pretty smoothly. Again, I will be doing a gaming review for the Realme C3 so I can show you guys the average frame rate and the stability as well. Pero yung pwede kong pakita sa video na to is yung Antutu benchmark score. Actually, nakita nyo na sa thumbnail, pero it performs well above the average of its price range. Now, compared to its main competition, which is the Redmi 8, you guys will definitely see a huge gap in the score. By the way guys, the G70 is paired with 3GB of RAM and 32GB of storage. That is the configuration that will be available here in the Philippines. Now, the second reason why I think this is going to be one of the best, if not the best budget gaming phone, is the screen. The display measures in at 6.52 inches with an IPS LCD panel at HD Plus resolution or 720 by 1600. So it definitely doesn't have the best pixel density, pero standard pa naman yung HD Plus resolution for most phones that are considered to be in the budget segment, so I can't really complain. Picture quality is decent, pretty much what you come to expect from an IPS panel with good viewing angles. So okay na siya for watching videos on YouTube, and of course, K-pop na naman yung papakita namin sa video na to. And can you guess who this is? Anyway, in terms of sound quality, dito siya medyo alanganin. The bottom speaker isn't the best, serviceable, pero medyo matina siyang pakinggan, and you want to keep the volume at around 70% or just use your headphones. The third reason is the battery life of this phone. Now, of course, guys, we haven't spent a lot of time with this phone just yet, and wala pa kaming battery benchmarks, but you do have a capacity of 5,000 mAh, which in my experience with previous devices should get you about a day and a half to 2 days worth of battery life depending on your usage. For some sample numbers though, guys, Realme says that the phone can almost last 21 hours while streaming movies. For charging though, it only supports 10 watts, so it's gonna take a while to charge up this device. So as you can see with those three key aspects, why I think the Realme C3 has the potential to be one of the best, if not the best, gaming smartphone that you can buy for less than 7,000 pesos. Again, just to recap, it has a great processor in the MediaTek G70. It has a good sized screen, which you can enjoy your movies and gaming on, plus your fingers won't feel cramped while you're gaming, and a big battery so you can game for longer. Of course, hindi naman mahilig sa game, so we have to look at other aspects of the phone. Now let's talk about its cameras. There are a total of 4 cameras on the C3, 3 on the back, and a selfie camera hidden in the notch on the screen. For the rear cameras, you're getting a 12 megapixel main shooter at f1.8, plus a 2 megapixel depth sensor and a 2 megapixel macro camera. So you're not getting a lot of shooting options here, and sadly, wala din siyang night mode. The front camera naman is at 5 megapixels at f2.4. Here are a couple of sample photos that we've been able to take so far. So what do you guys think? Do the cameras on the Realme C3 get a pass? Let me know by voting on the corner of the screen. I'm really not sure which one, but anyway, now let's talk about its design. Now, I know you guys have seen it already, pero halos pareho lang sila ng Realme 5i. Yes guys, in terms of design, you're almost getting the same thing. The Realme C3 also has that textured plastic back, but one way to tell the difference is the orientation of that sunburst pattern, which looks like it's coming from the camera array of the C3, while the one on the 5i comes from the bottom part of the phone. Well, that and the fact that the Realme 5i has one more camera. Honestly though, maganda siyang tignan. I prefer the frozen blue color variant over the blazing red, pero they both look good, so you can't go wrong with either choice. For the button and port layout, you have the power button on the right side. The volume rocker is found on the left with access to the SIM tray above it. Triple card slot siya guys, so there's no need to choose between a second number or expandable storage. There's nothing up on top, and the bottom you have the headphone jack, microphone, micro USB port, and the speaker grill. You also have a physical fingerprint scanner on the back of the phone, and hands up naman dyan for the people who actually miss having a physical fingerprint scanner instead of an in-display one. So there you go guys, that's pretty much it for the Realme C3 for now. Again, we will be doing a gaming review, so make sure you stay tuned to the channel. Before we end, I do have to remind you guys once again that we don't have the official price tag for this phone just yet. We based it off the price in Thailand, which is again around 6,500 pesos. So hopefully when Realme Philippines does announce this phone officially, they keep to around the same price point, or hopefully even cheaper. Alright, so for the giveaway for the Realme Buds Air guys, everything you need to know is in the description down below, but you might have noticed that a lot of us released a video on the Realme C3 at the same time, so make sure you sub to the rest of the Tech Mob. Again, all their channel links can be found in the description box, and show them some love. Tell them something that you like about their video. And that pretty much wraps things up. Thank you for spending a couple of minutes with me. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up, sub to the channel, and hit that notification bell if you haven't already. If you have any questions, leave them down below and I'll try my best to get to them as soon as I can. For all the latest tech news and gadget reviews, head to unbox.ph, plus follow us on Facebook and on Instagram. My name is Jamie. Peace, God bless, and I'll see you guys next time.